we're going to explain how to copy file names into Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on your comfort level with computers and the number of files you're dealing with. The manual method for a few files. The simplest method is to manually type the file names. Open your Excel spreadsheet. In the first cell, A1 for example, type the first file name. Press Enter. Then type the second file name in the cell below, A2, and so on. This is efficient only if you have a very small number of files. 2. Using the File Explorer's copy and paste for a few files. Open your File Explorer window and navigate to the folder containing the files you want to list. Select the files, right-click and choose Copy. Then open your Excel spreadsheet, select the first cell where you want to paste the file names, A1 for example, and right-click and choose Paste. Excel might paste the files as a list, but this isn't very useful, and it doesn't usually work directly. You'll mostly end up with just the file path. To fix this, you will need to use the Text to Columns option in Excel, explained further down, to split the path from the file name. This is more efficient than manual typing, but still not ideal for large numbers of files. 3. Using the File Explorer's drag and drop for a few files. This method is similar to copy and paste. Open both your File Explorer and your Excel spreadsheet. Select the files in your File Explorer and drag them into the first cell, A1, of your Excel spreadsheet and drop them. Like copy-paste, the full path might be included and needs to be split using the Text to Columns option. Using a simple VBA script for many files. For a larger number of files, using VBA Visual Basic for Applications is far more efficient. This requires some basic programming knowledge. You can open VBA by pressing Alt plus F11 in Excel. Insert a module, Insert Module. Then paste a VBA script like this. VBA sublist files, dim obj.fso. As object, obj folder. As object, obj file. As object, dim star path. As string, I. As integer, I equals 1. Row number to start pasting file names in star path. C plus your file path. Change this to your file path. Set objfso, keys, create object, scripting, file system object. Set obj folder equals objfso, get folder is star path. For each obj file, in obj folder, .files. Cells, I1. Value is obj file. Name, I plus 1. Next obj file. Set obj file equals nothing. Set obj folder is nothing. Set objfso nothing. And sub. Remember to replace C, your /file path with the actual path to your folder. Run the macro. This will populate your Excel sheet with the file names from that folder. 5. Using the Text to Columns function. If you use the copy-paste or drag-and-drop method, and Excel gave you the full path, you'll need to separate the file name from the path. Select the column containing the full path, go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and click Next. Select Other and type a \plus in the box. Click Next and Finish. This will split the data at each \, and you'll find the file name in a separate column. Note that if the file path has double \, you might need to adjust the delimiter accordingly. Remember to always back up your data before attempting any of these methods. Choose the method that best suits your needs and skill level.